Uh-oh. What have you done? Oh, Maya. Did you pull out all those wipes? Did you pull out all those wipes, Maya? Oh, shoot. Okay, that's enough, Missy. That's enough. Put the lid down, please. Oh, Maya. $20 wipes. Maya. Daddy's gonna be mad at you. You're gonna be in trouble when Daddy gets home. Yes. Yes, now you know what I'm saying, don't you? Yeah, well.